Are you sick and tired of coming here on 4th of July and you have no place to sit but your oven truck that burns you up? Well, I got a solution for you. Come on. Introducing Truck Bed Couch. That's right, you got a couch that you can watch your fireworks on. Any position that you feel good for you. Dang right. Not only is this a couch, but it's a bed. That's right, you got a bed in your truck bed. Introducing truck bed, bed couch, truck bed, bed couch, sofa couch, truck bed, couch. You just pull these down just like that, and you got yourself a respectable truck bed, couch, for when things get real. So keep this in mind when you ain't got no place to watch your fireworks. You just put a couch in the back of your truck and you're all set. The best take-home invention since Thomas Edison invented the kite. Alright, this guy's got his Flowmaster's yank right out of the system. What does she sound like? Oh, she's loud! Yeah. Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Give her a ram. Give me a river. Oh, yeah!
No, it's because that's not. No, that's just the exhaust, man. Don't fuck with that.
Got these Flowmasters rip right out. New exhaust getting put in.